Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Laxon, and today we're going to be checking out another iPhone 15 Pro case. This one is actually from Komodoty. I want to give them a big shout out for sending this case out for me to review. They actually have a huge range of really amazing cases in really different materials, from wood, Alcantara, bumper cases, as well as their canvas cases, which looks really familiar to iPhone's fine wood line. But today we're actually going to be checking out one of their wood cases. So yeah, this is the packaging itself. As you can see, very nice packaging. It's like a really matte black, like it's really nice. You see the logo there, just fading in. Yeah, mine did get some damage in the rain. You can see that due to the weather. But on the bottom, we've got their Facebook page as well as the Instagram page. I'll leave that in the description as well if you want to follow them over there, and if you want to follow me on my Instagram page, that will be in the description as well. But yeah, let's just open this up. So let's see. Ooh, that's nice. So this is one of the wood series. They're available in a few different options. So you can get like a charcoal, rosewood, bamboo as well. But this one looks really nice. It feels really great, I have to say. And it's really thin. I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on camera, but that is really thin. And it feels really nice as well. I mean, that's got really nice. I feel like that's going to go really well with this color option here. Ooh, yeah, let's just put this in. Oh yeah, that's a tight fit. Nah, that's nice. That is. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you really like this. If you prefer wood cases, I don't know, it looks nice. But yeah, I mean, so yeah, let's have a look at the cutout as well. Well, got a decent cutout for the power, so no issue there. Volume rockers, same thing. Action button, no issue there. Charging port, we have a decent cutout for the Type-C, and we can see the speaker growth as well, so no issue there. On the top, we do have a bit of cutout, so it shows the color of your phone. I mean, this looks really nice, I have to say. Yeah, that's nice. The feel feels good. I don't know. It has like, I don't know, it's got some weird. No, I think just me. That's nice. It's got a really, I don't know, earthy smell or something like that. But it looks nice, I have to say. The feel, really good. It's really slim. And we do have these edges going around the corners. In case you drop it, it will give a bit of protection there. I would recommend, if you're using this case, maybe go for a screen protector if you prefer that. If you want something very different from other people, I think this is really nice. They do actually make some really different types of cases compared to all other manufacturers. Yes, they do have their standard bumper case as well as the canvas, but they have wood lines, Alcantara cases, which is a bit different. So if you want to stand out in the crowd with a different case, I think you should go and check them out. The links will be in the description, but I think that this is really nice. This was a quick unboxing and first look of this wood case from Komodoty. I want to give them a big shout out for sending this case out for me to review. If you do want to check it out, the links will be in the description for this case as well as the Alcantara, just any of the amazing cases. Check out the links in the description. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. And if you enjoy the video, of course, leave a like. And as always, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next one. Take care.